Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the state command of HDFS. So let me do a help and let me check what is state command. So it is something print statistics about the file or directory at path in the specific format. The format accepts file size in blocks, group name of owner, file name, block size, replication factor, and username of owner and modification date. Okay, so let me check the uses, how to use. This is the pattern. Okay, so let me do a list of my directory in the root. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to list on space. In space there is a lot of things. What I'm going to do, I'm going to apply this state command on my space. So you can see there is a file name space id, and there is the size also. Okay, replication factor 1. And let me do this state command on this space. So hdfs dfs hyphen state, and then the directory name space, and then space dot id. Okay, so what I'm going to do, first I'm going to apply this state command to this file. So let me do a simple state without any option. So what is the output? It is something like that. It is the modification date. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me apply the condition. If we need to find the file size in blocks, this is the option. Okay, let me do something new. Let me use %p, and then let me check the block size. You can see, I think 42. This is 42. The block size is 42. And then let me show the group name of owner. Okay, it should be something super group. Let me use %g, and let me check. You can see it should be super group. Okay, so now let me check the file name, and the command is, the option is %n, small n, and it is space id. Okay, and let me check again the block size. What is the command? It is %o. Okay, you can see this block size. And then there is other option for replication. If we need to check the replication, there is the option for small r, and you can see I am using Cloudera quick start and only one VM, so you can see replication factor is only 1. Okay, from here also you can check the replication factor. And then what is other option? If you need to check the modification date, so what is the option? %y. The file modification date is this is. Okay, so if I do something here, then you can see the new option. Okay, so this is how you can use state command on some directory or some file. I can use the same things up to my space also, space directory also. Okay, and let me use on my Scala, since I did something today on Scala directory. You can see the date is today. Okay, so guys, if you want to know more about the HDFS command, then you can check my Hadoop playlist. I have already discussed many commands on that playlist. So guys, if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.